Selling cloud services is different than selling on-premise software. There's a whole different way of buying these type of services. It's not anymore the IT department that buy these services, but there's much more engagement from the people from the business, so the chief HRO, the chief talent officer in the company. So the approach has to be different in the sense that it's more about how do you solve their business needs rather than what is the technical solution you bring on the table, and how do you bring execution into their business strategy. So the most important thing is to completely change the way you approach your sales and marketing engine to address the customer needs.
We've been doing cloud now for just coming over 2 years now. Obviously we're a traditional on-premise business. Now we see ourselves as a hybrid organisation doing cloud and on-premise. We have 3 main lines of business in cloud now. We started off originally in SuccessFactors, which we saw as a very popular product within our product base. And over the last sort of 18 months, we've sort of now progressed into doing not only SuccessFactors, but we also do Cloud for Customer. This year we are now selling Business by Design as a product because we've seen a lot of demand and growth in that area as well.
We're in the cloud business since 2008. We're one of the early partners for SAP Business by Design, which was called A1S formerly. We are a player in a new market, in a growing market with new technologies and new kinds of addressing the market by sales and marketing. It's very interesting. And so we are prepared more than other companies which are only doing business in the on-premise.
We expect a strong growth coming from our cloud business. We have a strong implementation practice. We have a strong BPO platform to provide services on SuccessFactors. So we really believe that there's a growing demand. There's also possibilities from a product point of view, from an offering point of view that didn't exist a few years ago. So we see a lot of maturity and interest from buyers to move into the cloud world, and we expect great traction to generate a lot of growth for us in the future.
In terms of overall cost of ownership, it is lower for the client. For us, of course, it's a constant income, and that allow us to grow and provide a better service for our client. And at the end of the day, the implementation is much faster. There's nothing to procure, there's no service to configure, there's no hard drive that can break, everything is already provided. So it's a one-stop solution that it's a real win-win solution, both for the client and for the service provider.